everyone, thank you so much for donating to the Felix Project. Really, really appreciate it. We had 56 individual donations in total, and that raised £700. So thank you so much, everybody. Really appreciate that. And a huge thank you to Lloyds Bank Foundation that have agreed to match fund up to £500. So it's £1,200 altogether that's been raised for the Felix Project, which, as a reminder, their mission is really simple. They take surplus food from their suppliers and then they donate those to charities, who in turn can then donate those to other homes, donate those to schools, to children and families who are desperately in need of food. So big shout out to the Felix Project and all the great work that they're doing. So we had 2 draws. I've already done the local draw, and those prizes have been won and those people have been notified. So those were drawn and done already. So the prizes that they won, there's an apple and blackberry pie, homemade apple and blackberry pie. There was some fresh, I can never actually say this, chocolate chip cookies with fresh peel in those, a banana bread loaf with homemade banana chips on top, and also some profiteroles with raspberry cream, white chocolate ganache and pistachios on top. So I'll deliver those today. But the fun part is all those who were IOU people. So I'm going to do that draw now, and then when I see you, so when I come back to work, I can give it to you. If I see you at another point, I'll donate them to you, but unfortunately I can't send them. So here goes the raffle for you guys. So this is IOU people. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Right, first one. So it's ticket 326 down to 330. And that's Lily, my colleague Lily from the foundation. So congratulations to you, Lily. Okay, we're going to do 2 more of these. It's a raffle. Unfortunately, everyone can't win, as much as I'd love them to. Okay, and this one. So we've got ticket 311 down to 315. That's actually my parents. So congratulations, Dad and Leslie. You've won. So I will get something to you in due course. And then last but not least, oops, I think one just flew out. This person, who is Gary. So another one of my colleagues at the foundation who I know really wants ginger biscuits. So I'm going to have to try my hand at ginger biscuits. So huge congratulations to Lily, to Gary, and also to my parents. So congratulations on those draws, and thanks again for donating. Really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all really soon. Take care and stay safe.